All right, thank you for joining me again. My name is Donald Joel, and uh, I want to talk about something today that most graphic designers these days they've not actually, let me say, realized or they don't yet understand. We have so many graphic designers in this year 2021, more than we had before. So I've been in this industry for quite a couple of years now, and I just want to share a secret with you, and that's how you can start doing more with less. Like I wrote here, I said doing more with white backgrounds. The reason why 90% of my designs are always coming out with white backgrounds is because with them you can actually pass out your message effectively. Now you must understand the difference between design or graphic design and art. Art has to do with emotions, but graphic design or design has to do with you passing out a message. Graphic design actually is communication design. As a graphic designer, what you are doing is you are solving the problem of communication. That's why you must not be carried away with all these effects and all that and all that. So you must confidently manage your emotions to understand how you can achieve more by doing less. When it comes to graphic design, the less you do, the more you achieve. That's why the whole word, or let me say, that's not the word I want to use. Before now, logos were coming out with 3D, 4D, and all that. But if you watch what's going on in the world right now, logos are going how? Iconic. 3D logos are no longer that much in vogue, if at all they are even in vogue. Everything is going flat because the world is looking for something, and that's speed. So the time it takes for an audience to understand the message your design is trying to pass across is very, very, very important. That's why I use white backgrounds in most cases. The reason being that whatsoever you place on a white background can actually be seen in just split seconds and can be understood by whosoever is reading it. That's one reason why I use white backgrounds. Another reason why I use white backgrounds, of which I've mentioned earlier, is about effective communication. You get it? Design is about effective communication. It's not about effects on your designs. It's about effective communication. Your client comes to you, he wants to pass the message across to his or her targeted audience, and he wants to use you as a medium to solve that problem. Your work is not to complicate that problem, but to solve it effectively. The audience your client is targeting, once they see your message, they should be able to understand what your message is has to do with alignment. You can call it alignment. But in my other videos, I will talk about principles of graphic designing, where you have to understand what balance is, what alignment is, what contrast is, enough to understand. But most times, graphic designers, they don't give attention to these things. So if you want to be creative, if you want your work to be excellent, have this at the front of your mind, that the less you do in design, the more you achieve. You can be creative by doing less. Doing less doesn't mean you shouldn't pour out your heart into your work. And one thing I've also discovered is this: at the other end, at the extreme of creativity, simplicity is actually more complex. Simplicity is more complex than complexity. The more simple you try to become, the more dissatisfied you'll become with what you're actually trying to achieve, because you want to cut out everything, cut down everything. So I will encourage you to start doing more with less. You don't need to fill your whole workspace with elements and all that. Achieve more with less. Thank you for watching this video, listening to this video. And before you go, I want you to share it, I want you to like it, and I also want you to subscribe to this channel. One thing I want you to do is comment what you've learned from this video in the comment box. And if you're having a challenge, any challenge at all with designs, let me know in the comment box so that I can do a video on it next time. Thank you so much, and have a great day.